It's a rainy morning, and a young girl named Mina is walking to school, holding her favorite red umbrella. It was a special gift from her mother, and she cherishes it. Along her path, she spots a tiny cat shivering under a park bench, completely soaked by the rain. "Oh, you poor thing, you're all wet," Mina whispers softly. Without a second thought, she places her open umbrella over the little cat to keep it dry. "Don't worry, I will protect you." Just then, the school bell rings. Mina dashes off to class, completely forgetting her umbrella. Later, as the sun peeks through the clouds, she remembers, "My umbrella!" she exclaims and rushes back to the park. There, under the red umbrella, the little cat is now sleeping peacefully in the warm sunlight. Mina giggles. "I see you like it," she says gently. "You can keep it for today." The cat lets out a soft meow, almost like a thank you. Mina smiles and heads home, her heart feeling warmer than any sunshine. Kindness truly is its own reward.